Hey YouTube, Keegan here with Tech Shows You, and in this video I'll be showing you guys the Powerplant external battery by Tylt. Now first of all, a huge thanks to the guys over at Tylt for giving us this product to review for you guys. Now this is a 5200 mAh battery, and this is the micro USB version. Now as you guys can see right here, the battery comes with a micro USB cable for charging the Tylt itself, which is really an awesome feature. Now right here it plugs into the 5V input, which then can plug into any wall USB port that is plugged into a USB adapter. Now as you guys can see, there is also a USB port on that same side for the output. Now this is capable of charging a smartphone as well as a tablet because it does have a 2.1 mAh output. Now on the side, as you guys can see in this shot, there is a small rubber strip that actually pulls away and reveals a micro USB port that is attached onto that rubber strip. Now this allows you to plug in your phone so that in case you forgot a cable and need some emergency power, you always have some available to you. Although it's not ideal, it does work in a pinch if you need power right away without a cable. There is also a lightning adapter version available if you have an iPhone 5 or an iPad tablet. Now another cool consideration here is that this cable that it comes with can actually be flipped around and inverted so that it can then be used to charge your phone. As you can see, you turn the ends around and then it can plug into any micro USB phone. Now this is great because you only really need to have one cable if you're going to be charging the battery at night and then using it during the day. You can just flip the cable around and continue on using it. Now also on the opposite end as the input and output, there is a button along with 4 LEDs. Now when you push the button, it first of all turns on the device, but it also shows you the battery capacity. Now unfortunately, I found these LEDs to be wildly inaccurate while the device is charging, so this means it was very difficult to tell if it was fully charged or not. Sometimes, while my iPad was charging, it would show only having 1 bar left, and then the next time I checked it would show having 3 or 4 bars left. As soon as I unplugged the battery, however, it then showed the accurate charge percentage. That was the only issue that I really ran into, and everything else worked as well, if not better than I expected it to. Now in this next shot here, you guys can see it compared to the size of a quarter, so it is actually very small, much smaller than I expected it to be originally. Now this is great because it's very portable and easy to carry around. It is also not very heavy. As you may know, it is also much smaller than the Zag Spark, which we reviewed earlier on, which has a very similar capacity at 6000, so it's about an 800 mAh difference. I do highly recommend that you guys go ahead and check this battery out because it is great, especially if you want a portable yet large enough capacity battery to actually be useful for keeping your phone juiced up all day. I know this is one battery that I have found myself using over and over again while testing it because I love using it so much and it works so great. It is also important to note that you can actually charge your device while the battery is also charging plugged into the wall. You can also use both the built-in micro USB cable as well as the USB output to charge a tablet and a phone or 2 phones at the same time. I'd again like to give a huge thanks to the folks over at Tylt for hooking us up with this product to review. I do recommend that you guys go check out their website as well as their other products that they have available. This has been Keegan from Tech Shows You, and I will see you next time. Make sure you stay tuned here on YouTube for our review of the Tylt Energy wall charger and battery combination. Check out some of our awesome recent videos. Click the video on the left to see our review of the PowerPack Ultra battery by Nutrient. Click on the video on the right to see our video about how to get a free 50GB of storage on your Box.net storage account. Click on the links below in the video to find our Twitter, Facebook, and Google Plus page. You can also click the link to visit our website at www.techshowsyou.com. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we look forward to next time.